that you ask for, how does trust sound? I do like a lot. First of all, trust sounds very warm. If you get the feeling, if you have a conversation and you have this moment of, oh, the temperature in the room drops a little bit, there is a pretty high chance that trust drops as well. So warmth. In speaking in pictures, trust is more either a shoulder to shoulder. We are looking into the same direction, standing shoulder to shoulder, or we look each other deep in the eyes and know that we have a common understanding of whatever we are talking about. That. In terms of the content of trust, if that phrase exists, I don't know exactly. I would say a big part of that trust part is how do you live up to the promises that are being made verbally and non-verbally. It's very easy verbally to say, okay, I promise I'm sending you this by the end of the day. Oh, right. And then it doesn't come. Now then, reliability isn't there. Trust goes down immediately. Right? But this is not the only thing. It might be that someone is very, very reliable and sends everything every time absolutely perfectly on time and quality-wise. And still, I do not trust that person because I'm not resonating with that person. There is only relevance in the sense of, Stuart, let's quote Stuart again, right? Stuart was sending me the documents. He was doing his job properly, fine, on time. And then if you would ask afterwards, do you trust Stuart? Very often people would say, no, not really. No, right? Because there is less human connection. So we're coming back to that resonance and relevance part. Relevance without resonance doesn't give you the highest trust. Resonance only without relevance is chit-chat. If it's not followed by an action. In the end, words are only the beginning. The action in the end is what counts. But again, it's not only the action that counts. The words matter as well.